The 2025 BMW Z4 goes one step further with a soft-top arrangement that allows you to bask in the sun while you whiz down the roads that you drive for enjoyment. This is in contrast to the typical fun-loving mentality that comes standard with all sports cars. The small roadster is not as focused on its ability to devour twisty asphalt as its competitors, such as the Porsche 718 Boxster or the Toyota Supra, the latter of which shares the Z4's mechanicals that are based on BMW technology. Despite this, the Z4 is a very energetic vehicle, and it drives along with great enthusiasm regardless of which engine option it's equipped with. The rear-wheel drive system, an 8-speed automatic transmission, and a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with 255 horsepower are all standard features. There is a fierce turbocharged inline-6 engine that produces 382 horsepower and may, for the very first time, be paired with a brand new 6-speed manual transmission that offers an additional layer of driver participation. This engine is available for those who are looking for ultimate power. Inside, you will discover a luxurious cabin that is finished with high-quality materials, a display for the infotainment system that measures 10.3 inches, and ample space for 2 adults. Practicality is something that you might not anticipate from a vehicle of this size. Nonetheless, the Z4 has a trunk that is surprisingly large for a roadster of its size. During our testing, it was able to accommodate 3 carry-on luggage. If you are justified in using this chic convertible sports car as your everyday transportation, then the situation is much better. When purchased at its starting price, the Z4 S-Drive 30i represents a good bargain. In comparison to its primary competitor, the Porsche 718 Boxster, it is priced significantly lower, and it provides performance that is more than adequate for the majority of purchasers. In addition, we would recommend the dynamic handling package, which includes bigger brakes designed specifically for the M Sport model as well as a M Sport differential for increased traction. Your brand new Z4 S-Drive 30i will not be able to accelerate as quickly as the M40i, which is significantly more powerful, but it will be quick enough to be enjoyable. It is the brand's superb turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine that powers the S-Drive 30i. This engine generates a significant amount of torque and gives the impression of being more powerful than its 255 horsepower. The M40i variant comes equipped with a turbocharged inline-6 engine that produces 382 horsepower. When aroused, it is extremely refined, silky, and aggressive all at the same time. When you purchase a Z4, you will have a standard 8-speed automatic transmission that features both sport and manual modes. Standard equipment also includes paddle shifters that are attached to the steering wheel. Because of its quick reflexes, snappy shifts, and smooth functioning, the 8-speed automatic is considered to be one of the best automatics available. The more potent 6-cylinder vehicle may now be selected with the Handscalter, which literally translates to hand shift, package. This package also includes a 6-speed manual transmission, anti-roll bars that are more rigid, an adaptive suspension system that has been retuned, and specialized wheels and tires that are larger. The Z4 is willing to zig and zag when the road is winding, but it does not have the locked-on sensation of the 718 or the anxious ferocity of the Supra.